Hey guys, welcome back to my podcast Motivation Talks with SK. So today we are going to talk about something that seems simple to say but is hard to live by. That is respecting yourself. We often talk about respecting elders, friends, mentors or even relationships. Of course it is important, but what about self-respect? How often do you check whether you're giving yourself the same respect you give to others? Respecting yourself doesn't mean arrogance or pride. It's not about thinking you're better than others, of course not. Rather, it's recognizing your own worth even when others don't see it. It's about saying to yourself, I deserve to be treated with kindness. I deserve peace. And I will not allow anyone, including myself, to disrespect my boundaries, my dreams, or my heart. Okay? And self respect begins with the small choices you make. The choice to walk away when you feel drained, choice to stay silent instead of not defending yourself, the choice to forgive yourself when you fall short. Because even mistakes deserve compassion, not self hate. Okay? Let me tell you a story. There was a woman named Ananya. Okay? She was kind, hardworking, and always there for everyone. Her phone never stopped ringing. Friends called when they need advices, co-workers when they need help, and family when they needed emotional support. She said yes to everything because she thought that was what made her valuable. But slowly, she began to notice something. People respected her time, of course they did, but only when it suited them. They appreciated her help, of course they did, but not her. She would stay up late helping others with deadlines, but at the end of the day, had no energy for her goals. She would listen to everyone's problems, but had no one to listen to hers. So one day, she looked in the mirror and realized she had become a background character in her own story. That was the day she decided to change. That doesn't mean she stopped being kind, okay? Of course not. She stopped being available to everyone all the time instead. She learned to say no without guilt. She stopped chasing people who made her feel small. Rather, she began giving herself the respect she once gave away easily. Okay? At first, people didn't like it. That's a normal reaction, right? Some called her distant, some called her selfish, but she stayed firm. And over time, something amazing happened because the world adjusted to her new boundaries. And the same people who once took her for granted now began to value her presence. Because when you respect yourself, you teach others how to treat you. Okay? And when you respect yourself, you stop settling for half hearted love. You stop explaining your worth to people who refuse to see it. You stop apologizing for outgrowing situations where you no longer fit your piece. And you stop prioritizing someone else's mental health or happiness and purpose over yours. Okay? That is when your life begins to change. When you prioritize your mental health, your happiness, your purpose. Not because the world has become easy, rather because you have become stronger. Okay? So today I want you to remember this. Respecting yourself is not selfish, it's survival, right? It's a declaration that you will not shrink to make others comfortable, that you will not tolerate being treated just like an option whenever they are comfortable, and that you will not give away your heart as per others' needs, okay? And that you will no longer betray yourself just to keep others or someone else happy, right? Because at the end of the day, people will treat you based on how you treat yourself. So please speak kindly to yourself, stand firm in your truth, and walk through every situation with confidence, knowing that your worth was never meant to be negotiated. Respect yourself the most and watch how everything around you begins to align with that energy. Okay, thank you for listening to my podcast. If this episode spoke to your heart, share it with someone who needs to hear it too. Okay, until next time, take care of your peace, your boundaries, and importantly, your self respect. Okay, this is me signing off. I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye bye from SK.